Hello again.
Hello.
Hello. It's like I think that going to Cele class for some of you might be like going to the gym. It's good for you. You actually want to do it, but your body and your mind tell you not to. I know it's complicated. I know. Plus, we're not supposed to be like taking regular classes. It's more like I'm supposed to be like guiding you through the topics, giving you exercises and everything. But I think this is better.
Yeah.
I think being here is way better for everyone. For the people who can be here, like some others, like Carlita, who doesn't like being present.
Yes.
Let's just move on. Look at this. Valeria took a shower again. Yes. Okay. Now let's see. Let's just move on to the grammar relative clauses. Okay. And what's a clause? First of all, what's a clause? And we're not talking about Sani clause, right? That's another one. So what is a clause, guys?
It's a sentence.
That's right. Thank you, Amelie. A clause is a sentence. We have already heard about clauses in Spanish in contracts, right? When you say, oh, you have to read the small case letter or the small letters, and which might be the clause mentioning that blah, blah, blah. That's in Spanish. And when you say that you have to read the clauses, it's because it's something important. Now, it's just in English, in grammar, it's just a synonym of sentence. That's what they're telling you over here. Why are clauses related? Why do we have relative clauses? Anybody?
Because both sentences have information that are related to each one.
Yes, they are related. They have information, one from the other, or whatever. Yes, but they are somehow related. That's pretty good. That's the idea. So relative clauses are two clauses basically, or like that. That's like the basic form of a relative clause. You have two of them, and in the two of them, the subject might be the same. Okay, do you understand this? The
Yes.
subject might be the same in the two of them. So somehow you have to, or what was it? Amelie, no, she told me. Okay, yes. So what you have to do is to find a way not to repeat the subject in both sentences, because that would make two different separate sentences, right?
Yes.
So you have to use in relative clauses, what you have to use, and you know that, is a relative pronoun, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Do you remember any of them?
Which?
Which, for example? Any other?
Who?
Who? Very good. Very good. Yes. Now you remember. Just go to page 172 and 73 and have a glimpse of, like, just very quickly go through that text, 172 and 173, very quickly. Just scan the text very quickly, and then we can go back over here. 1 minute to try to read that as fast as possible. Yes. Ready?
Yes.
Now let's see. You have already read this part. Then we go back to where we were at the beginning of page number 29. And they ask you to complete those sentences A to J with clauses 1 to 10. So let's do this together. At least with the first one. Gio, please read number 1.
Okay. You may decide to enroll on our courses online.
Okay, and yet, then you have 10 different options. Anybody who's got an idea of what the answer might be, just say it.
Number 9.
Number 9, could you please read it?
In which case the following instructions must be followed.
Must be what? Must be what?
Followed.
Yes, remember, followed, right? When do we pronounce ed at the end of a verb, Monse? When do we say follow it? When?
Which letter it finish?
For example, we only have 2 options. There you are. If there's a T or there's a D and then there's ed, it's 1. Right? So if you have, for example, 1, do you say wanted? If you have need, then you say needed. In this case, is not the case, so we only say followed. The one that sounds is a D, no, not the E. Okay? Right. Okay, so yes, you're right. I totally agree. You may decide to enroll on our courses online, in which case the following instructions must be followed. That's right. Totally agree. So please find the other ones. I know you're already doing it. Gabo, do you already have number 2? Or any other?
I'll try.
Number B, 7. You know?
7.
Letter B, 7. 7.
7, Carlita, for letter B?
Yes.
Letter B. Could you please read the 2 sentences together?
My grandfather, who loves nature, kept chickens in the garden.
Right. Totally agree. Yes, that's correct. Yes. Gabo.
Okay. C. Paris is a city whose art galleries are one of its biggest attractions.
Yeah, you're right. So in this case, or in this example, which is correct, you can realize how whose could be used for things or places, in this case, Paris, right? Paris is not a real person, it's not a person, obviously. And yet you can use whose with this one, okay?